L3 section.
We're back, guys. Today, another trick shot, and this trick shot is never done before in the world. So welcome to sehpum trick shot. What? It's sehpum. It's Pomelo, guys. Pomelo trick shot. Let's go. Let's do another segment called trust shot. Papa gonna sacrifice his own blow. Munching right here. She's gonna target the blow, and I'm gonna save the blow. Okay, let's do it. Middle shot. Middle shot. This is the longest shot. Avoiding Hangsi, she said, Team Valville, wow, amazing guys. We will entertain you every single day. Alright guys, that's our trick shot. I hope you like it and thank you for watching. And we also hope you like the video. And remember guys, if you want to be a part of the comment reaction, comment down below what you think.
Comment
Okay, till next time guys, we will see you very soon because it's every day, bro.